in order to fix the car, I need to clean it first because it bugs the fuck out of me that it's really dirty and it's just been sitting here collecting dirt. Ooh, got the baby all washed now, inside and out. Feels good to have the car look good. Let me know if anybody knows if I need to replace the entire panel, or if I could just fix that, because I know it's a part of the handle, but yeah. So got everything nice and good. Pretty much got everything clean in here now. It's just the bare metal now. Had to tear the carpet out since it's a manual. Had to cut out all the carpet because my heel kept getting stuck on the carpet every time that I would push in the clutch. I guess my boots would be dragging on the carpet right here, so I would have to do some things. I had some sketchy moments where my foot would get stuck on the clutch and I couldn't do anything because my boot would just dig in, so I had to cut out pretty much everything here. Gonna eventually just gut it all, but for now went ahead and cleaned everything up, got it all as much as I could, free of dirt and everything. Got some real nastiness under the trunk lid and all in the trunk. Don't have any rear seats. They were very horribly cracked, so I just decided to get rid of them. I might replace them later, but again, I want to put my battery box and everything right there, so I'm pretty sure I'm not going to get any rear seats. Got my shop vac in here, and time to go to work cleaning all this too. Real quick before, got all the dirt out for now. All the dirt out of the little trusses here in the trunk. I still have to kind of go over and clean it all really good, but all the dirt is gone, and that's the most important part to me. I do need to think about if I'm gonna take out all those compartments or not. Probably post them up on the marketplace somewhere. My hair is going crazy, holy shit. But yeah, I'll probably post them up on the marketplace somewhere, see if any of you guys want all those compartments, because I'm not going to use them for anything. All right, now we're going to get all these stains out. So you pretty much just need the drill, the brush, attachment, your soapy water and white vinegar solution, and a good shop vac if you have one. I picked this one up at Lowe's. It's not too expensive. It's about 60 bucks, but you don't have to get anything like this. There's some that run for about $30 right now, and if not, I'm sure you can find a shop vac like that on the marketplace. People are always selling them, so it's just good, because one of the most important parts about cleaning carpet is the drying process and soaking up all that water. So having a good wet dry vacuum like that is essential for getting the carpet spotless. It's gonna be spraying down like the trouble areas, like that one right there, and yeah, we're gonna see how good I can remove all these stains. Doesn't dry up on me. once I soak up all the water. Hope this camera angle is good. I have it hanging from my trunk, so if it starts moving, that's why. And for the hard spots, like the one here and the one over here, again, I'm gonna have to get some glue gun, which I don't have right now. I'm sure there's other products if you guys don't know what glue gun is, but it's pretty much just like a gum and glue remover. And you just kind of dab a little bit of that chemical on it, it just starts breaking up all of that nastiness. But this is also a thing for you. I mean, you guys can have the solution in like a little bowl and kind of be dipping your paint, your scrub brush into the bowl. But any old spray bottle that you have lying around, it kind of makes it a little bit more convenient, and you don't have to worry about spilling it everywhere. All right, so way better already, noticeably. You could see on the camera a lot more than you can like with the naked eye. I still have a spot here that's still just a stain, doesn't feel like this one. You can hear it. And then there's like a piece of gum, something over here, but it's just as hard. For the most part, I was able to get the stains out. It looks so much better. I'll put a before and after, that way you can see the difference. I still have some troubled areas, like that one and that one. A couple spots over here. I'm gonna get some carpet cleaner, some actual, carpet cleaner solution from AutoZone to see if I can get those spots completely out. I used to carry oil and stuff back here, so that stain, it's been there for quite some time, so it might not come out completely. So that's pretty much it for the trunk of the car. Happy to see it really clean. Every little bit that I get cleaned in this car gets me that much more motivated to fixing it, because seeing it all messed up, all dirty, it really does something to me. Gets me kind of bummed out. It's like the saying goes, if you look good, you feel good. I just can't work with all this dirt and grime everywhere. If you guys have made it this far into the video, leave a thumbs up if you're liking the content so far. My channel's very new. I'm still learning everything about YouTube. Hopefully you guys are finding this entertaining. And like I said, I just need to get everything clean so that I myself can feel motivated about working on it. Because a dirty car, who wants to work on a dirty car? Like, nobody. I'm so anxious to drive this car already, so hopefully in the next 2 or 3 weeks, it's my goal to have this car all put together. I mean, the timing belts and everything should be done fairly quickly. It should probably take me a day or two. There's other just little things that I need to make sure are all set and done before I actually drive the car. We'll record the spark plug change and like the regular tune-up on this car also.